Hi friends, it's Suzanne here from sunstampin.com. I'm a Canadian Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I want to welcome you to my weekly Wildcard Wednesday video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are a little more technique driven, but nothing too complicated. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I'm featuring the stamp set Better Together. It has a Christmas sentiment that is lovely and playful, a little bit whimsical, so I thought I would use that for today's card. So I am taking a ruler here and a light pencil mark, and I am marking on my paper every inch or so. And then I have taken a whole bunch of colors and I am inking them up and stamping them down on this Whisper white card. So I have Pear Pizzazz, Coastal Cabana, Gray Granite, Mary Merlot, Sahara Sand, and Stays On Ink, which is black. And I am repeated stamping, trying to create somewhat of a random feel. I don't want the same color in the same spot. And I am going off the edge here. I eventually cut this background down to 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. Sorry, 4 by 5 1/4. Anyway, I am putting that on Pear Pizzazz cardstock, and then I'm adhering the whole kit and caboodle onto Whisper White Thick. And pretty much, that's pretty much the card. It pretty much says it all, doesn't it? It's very simple. But the technique here is to use as many inks as possible, and it's just stamping. And it makes for a very unique looking card. All right, these are glitter enamel dots. I think this is the Coastal Cabana color. Not 100% sure, you know that? And I have this baker's twine. I think I got it in a paper pumpkin kit. But it is black with a touch of silver, and I'm on a mission right now to try to use up my baker's twine. So that is the card for today. Thank you so very much for joining me, and I will see you again soon. Bye. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.